Follow these 12 steps to update or change your homepage in Chrome. Step 1. Select and copy the URL of the page that you wish to use as your new homepage. Step 2. Select the three-dotted menu icon. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Select On Startup. Step 5. Select this option for open a specific page or set of pages. Step 6. Select this option for add a new page. Step 7. Paste the URL that you copied in Step 1 into this field. Step 8. Select Add. Step 9. Select Appearance. Step 10. In regards to Show Home button, it's important that this is active, so if this toggle is not currently active, make sure you select it and make it active. Step 11. Select this option for Enter Custom Web Address. Step 12. Paste the URL from Step 1 into this field. And you are done!